President and overall Chairman of the 39th Star Awards for Movies, Rodel Fernando, Ms. Baby Go, and Mayor Marcos Mamay of Nulungan, Lanao del Norte.
Pasensya na po, the struggle is real. Thank you. Unang-una sa lahat, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. It's so nice to see everyone come together para po suportahan ang pelikulang Pilipino. PMPC, maraming salamat po for this award, and it's so good to be back on the stage. Gusto ko pong pasalamatan si Direk Mick. Direk, thank you so much for allowing me to collaborate with you and to bringing my character in The Leader, si Lyra, into life. Viva Films and to my Viva family, thank you po for all of the opportunities that you've given me. To all of my supporters, maraming salamat po for all the love that you've given me. To my team and my family, thank you for always having my back. And to my boyfriend Chris, who's in the audience, thank you for always pushing me when I'm down in the dumps. So everyone, maraming salamat po. And ito pong award na to, I dedicate this sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng The Leader sa Evolve Studio and Viva Studio, Viva Films. And sa lahat po ng sumuporta at tumangkilik ng The Leader, maraming salamat po. Again, PMPC, thank you so much. And mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Salamat po.